This is the Meerkat here with freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm a host of the Grok Star Trading Room and perhaps your future mentor. Hey, let's take a look at a trade that we had in the Grok Star Room this morning on a Nugget, N-U-G-T. This is the Gold Miners ETF that we trade frequently. And here it was right at opening, and it dropped down and it was pulling back up in a parallel channel. This is known as a bear flag. You want to know more about a bear flag, just go to our site, freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Go to chart school, just click on that right there, and here are the different trading patterns. And this is a bearish pattern because it's called a bear flag. It's the very first one right here, and you can see it is dropped down and it's coming back up in a parallel channel. If it breaks below that lower support, the odds are in our favor. Now you can read about it here, or you can take a look at some of our previous examples of it. These are in day charts. These are daily charts where each candle is worth 1 day. These dark ones here are prior day trading charts. These are 1 minute ones, 1 minute trades. So you can see the pattern's the same, the result can be the same. It's just the candles are a different length. That's why watching these videos, whether you're a swing trader or day trader, it really doesn't matter. They apply to everything. So here we are. I'm going to set a trade right down here. If this sucker breaks down, I want to go short. And sure enough, bam, bam, there we are. I'm now short here, and Nugget at 21.51 short NUGT. And we're going to set a stop just above this 20 moving average here at about 21.65. And bam, 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 look at that, bam, 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 right to the 21 even dollar amount. So I'm going to bring my full stop down here in the money now. Zero risk trade, man, I love it when that happens. I'm at around 21.30, and I'm going to take out half here. It's tough to see here when it's not dynamic, but it was just floating around this $21. So I took out half at 21.01 for 2.3% on the first half. Then I'm going to set my stop down here around 21.30, give it some room to run around, and let's see what happens next. Oh, it ended up breaking down below the $21. Now it's to this pivot line right here. This is the S2 pivot line. If you want to know what pivot lines are, you can look them up. For most charting programs, they're intraday only. More on that at another time. There we go. That's falling, falling, falling. This is cool. So I'm bringing my stop down. I'm following this 20 moving average down with my stop, giving it plenty of room here. Now I've got the $21 resistance area. So my stop is right about there. This is cool. And now it's just floating below this pivot line here. Following this 20 moving average, keep my stop right there just above the 20 moving average. And then it drops lower. Cool, cool, cool. And again, following this 20 moving average with my stop, there it is. And then look at this, kaboom, baby, look at that sucker take off, and look at the volume that came in when that happened. I am glad I'm out of my short. So for the second half, I stopped out at 20.72 for 2.8% on the second half. So again, let's take a look at this trade. Bear flag, when it broke down, we got short. Then we came down here when it stalled at an even dollar amount. I took out half. So I just managed my stop all the way down using this 20 moving average because I already had a lot in the trade. And sure enough, when it broke out above that, I didn't want to be short anymore. And so this total trade was for 2.55% in 27 minutes. Hooah! That's about $250 in our model portfolio on this one trade. In fact, if you'd like to trade with us, you can. 30 days for free in the Grok Star Trading Room. Just to go to our premium site, to groktrade.com. That's groktrade.com. Right up here to go to Grok Star Chat Room. We trade just in the mornings. We start together at 9 o'clock. We're starting to look for trades, and then we trade until just about noon. Again, that's Eastern Time. So you can join us right now, 30 days for free. After that, it's a price of about 1 commission. But right here, you can read about all that you get if you were to join the room. Love to have you. We've had a lot of people come back here now that the summer's over, and we still have room for more. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that we trade what we see, not what we think. Trade well.